Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Dr. Priyanka Aggarwal from Reincarnation Skin Care Clinic. Monsoons. Yet another monsoon is here. The showers, the thunders, the greenery, and the respite from the hot and humid climate. This also brings you a lot of problems, especially your hair, your skin, they become more sticky, more humid. Now in monsoons, you actually need to take care of your skin a lot because it's a time where your many bacterial infections like fungal infection or bacterial infection just start popping up. Number one, you must cleanse your face gently daily. Number two, must hydrate your face with a good moisturizer, which can be an oil-free moisturizer. Number three, must use a sunscreen. Even if it's not raining outside or it's cloudy, you must use a sunscreen, which can be a gel-based or water-resistant sunscreen. And say no to makeup. Then don't use a very artificial jewelries because they may irritate your skin. Take care of your feet properly. Use anti-fungal powders to keep the fungal at bay. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram and Facebook Live. Thank you.